Hi everyone, I'm glad to be here to introduce Xijing Coma Awakening Center, or XCAC for short. My name is Wen Jian, Professor and Director of XCAC. Coma is a prolonged state of unconsciousness. During a coma, the patient can be awakened by any stimulation, including pain. Coma can be caused by a variety of etiologies, such as traumatic brain injury, anoxia, stroke, infection, brain tumor, drug or alcohol intoxication, and so on. Coma is a medical emergency. In order to precisely predict the brain function and outcome, and better manage the patients with coma, we established the XCAR on March 21st, 2021. Our team is composed of highly skilled neurologists, neurosurgeons, rehabilitation physicians, physical therapists, neurophysiological technicians, nurses, and biomedical engineering professionals. XCAR is equipped with state-of-the-art technologies, including functional MRI, brain PET MRI, high-density electroencephalogram, event-related potentials, evoked potentials, and TMS-DEG. Here, we can provide professional medical services for coma patients.
Hi everyone, I am Rong Chen, the Chief Resident of XCAC. In the past 10 years, our team focused non-excessive assessment of brain function and prognosis of acute and subacute disorders of consciousness. In 2014, for the first time, we combined clinical and neurophysiological information to propose the TIMS scale for assessing the prognosis of vegetative state patients in the Journal of Critical Care. We explored a new method of brain function and assessment using functional magnetic resonance imaging, combined EEG reactivity by a standardized thermal stimulation, and achieved excellent results in predicting the prognosis of chronic disorders of consciousness. In terms of EEG-based outcome prediction of coma patients, we proposed the innovative concept EEG coma and published the results in Annals of Intensive Care. We have proposed the modified Valentis classification of the sleep EEG characteristics for coma patients, and found better the sleep EEG performance, the more likely consciousness recovery. Our study published in Clinical Neurophysiology in 2023 explored the use of zolpidem-induced EEG reactivity to predict the prognosis of prolonged disorders of consciousness. We explored the topology of prefrontal cortical resting brain networks and functional connectivity within the networks in patients with chronic disorders of consciousness, using functional near-infrared spectroscopy and identified reliable indicators for differentiating unresponsive wakefulness syndrome and minor consciousness state with good performance. In the next few years, we'll continue to conduct in-depth studies on multimodal brain assessments and precise therapies for disorders of consciousness, especially focusing on non-invasive neuromodulation and traditional Chinese medicine, as well as stem cell transplantation.
The diagnosis and the treatment of coma and the disorders of consciousness remain significant challenges. To engage more and more efforts from different fields to help coma patients, American Neurocritical Care Society has launched Curing Coma campaign and announced March 22 as World Coma Day to raise awareness of coma as a treatable and recoverable clinical condition. The fourth World Coma Day is approaching. Let us join forces to contribute to the well-being of coma patients. Exploring scientific assessments and precise treatments, we are taking actions. We are taking actions.
Extensive evaluation, precise treatment, try our best to help comatose patients. Cure coma, we are in action.
Care together with heart and love, curing coma, awakening home. We are in action.
Care for comatose patients, protect the life. Cure coma, we are in action.
Coma is a medical challenge. Arousal is a scientific mission. Cure coma, we are in action. Break the spell of coma, lighten the hope of life. Cure coma, we are in action.
Cure a comatose patient, save the happiness of several families. Cure coma, we are in action.
Focus on coma, explore coma, assess coma, cure coma. We are in action.
Explore the brain, dissolve the consciousness, lighten the life of comatose patients.
Cure coma, we are in action. Cure coma, we are in action. Cure coma, we are in action.
Here, we can provide professional medical services for coma patients.